Dear colleagues of the Pomak Association, dear participants, I'm very pleased that Adriana gave me this opportunity to address your event. My name is Arjan Dyrmishi, and I'm the founder and executive director of the Center for the Study of Democracy and Governance, which is based in Tirani, Albania, and the co-coordinator of the Southeast Europe Coalition on Whistleblower Protection. Today, I'm addressing you on behalf of the Coalition on Whistleblower Protection. The coalition has been established in 2016 as a network of civil society and media organizations and of human rights and free speech activists that are committed to the values of democracy, freedom of speech, and good governance. To date, the coalition remains the only regional organization in the world that focuses on whistleblowing, strengthening whistleblowers' rights and protections, and promoting whistleblowing as a crime-fighting and anti-corruption tool. The coalition provides financial assistance, campaign and media support, research materials, enhance regional and international influence and visibility, and other needs to its members, partners, and affiliates. At this stage, the coalition focus is on working to fill in the gaps in whistleblower protection laws, policy regulations, and advocating for their effective implementation, providing support to government organizations to strengthening capacities through various interventions such as research, monitoring report, provision of expertise and training, advocacy, and public outreach, providing support to whistleblowers and addressing their cases to legal experts in respective jurisdictions, engaging in civic education on the importance of whistleblowing as an anti-corruption tool, giving young professionals practical knowledge of whistleblowers' laws and cases, supporting the coalition members to improve their capacities to effectively address and respond to whistleblower cases, and also expanding and consolidating the coalition as a leading organization of whistleblowing in the region. Through its existence, the coalition has contributed to the initiation and expansion of whistleblowing-related actions and campaigns throughout the region. These activities have had significant impact in many countries, ranging from the adoption of new whistleblower laws and practices to more and better support for individual whistleblowers, to more investigating and publicity of whistleblower cases, to more public support for whistleblowing. One of the landmark activities of the coalition is the International Whistleblowers Day. This event is organized once a year in one of the capitals of the countries of the region, which celebrates whistleblowers and their courageous actions and to advocate for better protection mechanisms. Among others activities, during this event, the coalition awards whistleblowers, civil society activists, and journalists with the Free Speech Award. In 2022, the International Whistleblower Day was held in Skopje, while next year it will be organized in Sarajevo. We would be very pleased to have Pomak Association join this event and to share your experience and good work with other organizations of the coalition and to get to know and network with them. I wish you an excellent and productive activity today and look forward to hearing more of you and to welcoming you in the International Whistleblower Day in Sarajevo next year.